Hello everyone, I'm William Devine. I'm the Senior Technical Support Representative for the Whitmix Corporation. Today I'd like to speak to you about the Esthetic CrossRef Centered Bite Record. It's a guide that will accurately show the relationship with the patient's horizontal and midline and translate that and send that off to the lab for accurately mounting cases. Now that we've received the case from the doctor, we'll need the following items in the laboratory to accomplish the mounting procedure. For our mounting of the Esthetic CrossRef, we'll need the following items: a clean mixing bowl, a clean spatula, some mounting clay, some snips to cut the vertical rods, some mounting stone, some distilled water, a hot glue gun, and a calibrated articulator. Now it's time to unpack the case from the doctor and assemble the CrossRef. To allow for space of the mounting procedure, we'll need to snip off the excess of the vertical rod of the Esthetic CrossRef. Now it's time to put the cast in place using the bite registration material, and we will lute the cast in place using a hot glue gun. Allow the hot glue to set before the mounting procedure. Now that our casts are luted together with the Esthetic CrossRef, it's time to take it to the articulator and using a horizontal and vertical planes to mount the casts properly. Now it's time to take the cast to the articulator and mount the case using the vertical and horizontal rod on the Esthetic CrossRef. Taking care to align the vertical rod with the incisal pin and the horizontal rod with the upper member of the articulator. Now it's time to mount in the normal fashion, making sure that we use the accurate amount of water per powder ratio. Now that the upper mounting has set, I've inverted the articulator, removed the mounting clay, and it's time to mount the lower portion. Now that we've accurately transferred the patient's midline and horizontal plane, it's time to remove the Esthetic CrossRef. Hopefully you found the procedures in this video helpful. If you have any questions, please contact Whitmix for further information.